What's going on, Sounds Familiar? SOSS, support or stay silent. I wanted to give a quick show. Just the Audi from the last point, it has still been running right since the last repair of the drive shaft. And I have also customized the exhaust just to get it from the low engine noise to the pretty high, but I haven't even gone up on the RPMs. Check engine light still on from the PCV hose that I think has the tear in it that I showed. And you have your navigation. You have your engine start and engine stop. And if you engine stop and then want the car to still sit on but have the engine off, then you just press engine stop, cuts the engine off, and then you just press engine start. Don't press and hold it, you just press it real quick and it cuts it on. Then as the others that have been shown, we do have the panoramic roof with the additional third I keep thinking of sunscreen. I keep wanting to say that. But sunroof, the third sunroof there. And we also have the third row seat. So there's the passenger. You're looking at the rear passenger. And then there's a third seat back there under the sunroof. But then there's I didn't put the other ones up that's over there on that side either. The third row is set up just like the rear end part, the second row. So
paired.
There you are with it. I can show off a little bit how it drives. What's this in the mouth? No, put the mouth away, no more.
Let's just put the mouth away, no more. I wasn't even about to light it.
No more, because I can't take that. I can't, because of this shit. Excuse my language there, YouTube. But as you can hear now, there's a shift change. Exhaust on each side. It's not quadruple, it's not 4, it's only 2. And I'll give more updates. Go subscribe to 100 plus ENT 100 Plusent.